Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Avalara for e-commerce compliance and reporting step by step clearly. To activate Avalara for e-commerce compliance and reporting, start by navigating to the Avalara website. Create an Avalara account if you do not already have one. Select the Get Started button to begin the registration process. Fill in the required fields with your business information. Choose your business type from the drop-down menu. Provide your tax registration details for the states where you operate. Set up your payment information to enable billing for Avalara's services. Once registered, log into your new Avalara account. Navigate to the Integrations tab in the dashboard. Select the e-commerce platform you are using, such as Shopify or WooCommerce. Follow the specific instructions for your platform to connect Avalara. You may need to install a plugin or application to facilitate the integration. After installation, return to Avalara and confirm that your platform is connected. Next, configure the tax settings within your Avalara. Set your tax calculation preferences based on your business needs. Save your settings and run a test transaction to ensure everything is working. Verify that taxes are being calculated correctly during checkout. Monitor the reporting features to keep track of your sales tax obligations. Make adjustments to your configurations as needed based on your findings. Keep your Avalara account information updated regularly for compliance. Refer to Avalara's support resources for any troubleshooting or advanced setup needs. Once everything is set, your e-commerce business should be ready for automated compliance and reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.